Version control with Git, essential skills for developers. Title: Version control with Git, essential skills for developers. Introduction. Word count, 150 words. In today's rapidly evolving world of software development, effective version control has become an essential skill for developers. Whether working individually or as part of a team, the ability to efficiently manage and track changes to code is crucial for maintaining project integrity and ensuring collaboration. One of the most popular version control systems used today is Git. Developed by Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, Git has gained immense popularity for its simplicity, speed, and powerful features. This article aims to explore the fundamental concepts and essential skills required to utilize Git effectively. What is version control? Word count, 200 words. Before diving into the world of Git, it's important to understand the concept of version control. Version control is a system that records changes to files over time, allowing developers to track modifications, revert to previous versions, and collaborate seamlessly with other team members. Traditional version control systems were centralized, requiring a central server to manage the code repository. However, distributed version control systems like Git offer a decentralized approach, empowering developers to work offline and synchronize changes later. 2. Why Git? Word count, 250 words. Git has become the de facto standard for version control in the software development community for several reasons. Firstly, Git is incredibly fast and efficient, making it ideal for larger projects. Its architecture is designed to store changes as a series of lightweight snapshots, reducing file duplication and minimizing storage requirements. Additionally, Git's branching and merging capabilities are unrivaled. Developers can create separate branches to work on different features or bug fixes and merge the changes with ease. This makes collaboration and experimentation fluid and ensures the main codebase remains stable. 3. Getting started with Git, word count, 300 words. To begin using Git, developers need to install it on their local machines and set up a repository for their project. Git can be easily downloaded from the official website, https://gitscm.com. Once installed, developers can initialize a Git repository in their project directory using the git init command. This creates an empty local repository, ready to track changes. Next, developers need to understand the basic Git workflow. Git operates based on a series of commands, which are executed through the command line interface, CLI, or a graphical user interface, GUI. Tool. The most fundamental command is git add, which stages changes to be committed. Developers can selectively stage specific files or entire directories. Once changes have been staged, they can be committed using the git commit command. Commits serve as checkpoints in the development process, documenting changes with meaningful messages. 4. Collaboration with Git, word count, 400 words. One of Git's greatest strengths lies in its ability to facilitate seamless collaboration among developers. Git allows multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously. This is achieved through the concept of remote repositories. Developers can push their local changes to a remote repository, enabling others to access and merge their work. Git provides a range of commands to interact with remote repositories, such as git clone to create a local copy of a remote repository and git pull to download the latest changes. Additionally, developers can inspect the repository's history using the git log command, enabling them to understand what changes were made, by whom, and when. Branching is another key aspect of Git that facilitates collaboration. Developers can create branches to experiment with new features or work on bug fixes without affecting the main codebase. Gits are robust merging capabilities, avoid conflicts, and make it easy to merge branches back into the main branch when ready. The advanced Git techniques, word count, 300 words. Beyond the basics, there are several advanced Git techniques that developers can utilize to further enhance their version control workflow. These include 1. Rebasing, reshaping the commit history to make it cleaner and more logical. 2. Cherry picking, selectively applying specific commits to different branches. 3. Stashing, temporarily saving changes without committing them. By conclusion, word count, 150 words. 7. Future developments in Git, word count, 200 words. As the field of software development continues to advance, Git is also evolving to meet the changing needs of developers. The Git community is constantly working on improving performance, usability, and adding new features to enhance the version control experience. One area of development is the improvement of Git's user interface. While Git's CLI is powerful, it can be complex for beginners. This has led to the creation of graphical user interfaces (GUIs) that provide a more user-friendly approach to utilizing Git. These GUIs aim to simplify the learning curve and make it more accessible to a wider range of developers. Another area of focus is the integration of Git with other development tools and platforms. Git is already widely integrated with popular code hosting platforms like GitHub and GitLab. However, there is ongoing work to improve the integration with other tools such as project management platforms, continuous integration/continuous deployment, C/CD, pipelines, and code review tools. This integration will further streamline the development process, enabling seamless collaboration and automation. Furthermore, Git is also exploring ways to handle large-scale repositories more efficiently. Projects with a large number of files and extensive commit history can sometimes lead to performance issues. Efforts are being made to optimize Git's handling of such repositories, ensuring smooth operations even in complex environments. 8. Conclusion, word count, 150 words. 9. Resources for learning Git, word count, 200 words. For developers looking to enhance their Git skills, there are numerous resources available to aid in the learning process. These resources provide tutorials, documentation, and interactive platforms for practicing Git commands. Here are some popular options. 1. Official Git documentation. The official Git website, https://gitscm.com/doc, offers comprehensive documentation, covering all aspects of Git. This is a valuable resource for understanding Git's functionality and using it effectively. 3. Books. There are several books available that delve into Git in detail, such as Pro-Git by Scott Chacon and Ben Straub, and Git Pocket Guide by Richard Silverman. These books provide in-depth explanations and practical examples. These courses provide a structured learning environment with hands-on exercises. By utilizing these resources, developers can enhance their Git skills and become proficient in version control, improving their overall software development capabilities. Conclusion, word count, 150 words. 11. Here are some best practices for Git usage. 1. Commit frequently. It's recommended to commit changes frequently with meaningful commit messages. This helps track the progression of the project and makes it easier to understand changes in the future. 2. Use descriptive branch names. When creating branches, use descriptive names that reflect the purpose of the branch. This makes it easier to understand the context and purpose of each branch.